This one here, ladies and gentlemen, this crazy thing with smoke coming out of it is the sugar marijuana goblet. Okay, Everclear, coconut rum, melon liqueur, sweet and sour. Why we call it the sugar marijuana goblet, pineapple juice, is because we put a twist on the liquid marijuana shot or drink and turned it into this smoking goblet, okay? So, stir that up. You see you get that nice liquid marijuana cup. And then we drop a couple pieces of dry ice in. Top that with real ice. Stick in some orange slices just to sexify, okay? And then we pour in that mix, all right? And there's a twist on a lot of those candy drinks that you see at places like the Sugar Factory and other places like that. Stick some candy in that bad boy, and it's fun. It's a cool drink. It's potent as hell. You see the Everclear and then the 151. I mean, sorry, the Everclear. It's deadly.